In this tutorial, I will show you how to make these images for free. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Create here you can type your prompt. Create a 3D realistic profile pictures for 21-year-old boy standing in very sad experience and holding candles in hands, the boy wearing black hoodie, and name your name right on it. 14 February 2019 right top on wall and black day and right, white stylish font on black wall. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download, let's try another sample. Girl prompt. Type your name. Click on Create button. Click on Images to preview. If you want to download this, simply click on Download here and you get image without any watermark. If you want more videos like this, let me know in comments below.